like the most qualified driver in the group.
What's up, everybody? Today on Cars and Cameras, we are starting a mini build series on our Harbor Freight Predator 670 powered drag rail to make it fast. So we're planning on going forced induction on this project, and part of that plan is to get one more naturally aspirated pass down the drag strip, and that's what we hope to accomplish today. The dragster has been sitting in hibernation for quite some time, so we got it down from the ceiling, and we need to change the oil, do tire pressure, we're going to add a tachometer, and a couple other things here and there to get it ready to go to the drag strip at the end of the week, where we're all going to do a few passes and see what final time it lays down naturally aspirated, at which point we're planning on going turbo, which brings me to our new merchandise, Vote for Turbo. So go on our website, CarsandCameras.com. It's a brand new t-shirt. Get one while supplies last. These white t-shirts are nice and cool in the summertime. There's a nice medium blend, so it's good and comfortable. Get one on our website, Cars-Cameras.com. We also have a new patch. So for the first time ever, we're selling a certified gap welder patch. So the stickers have been very, very popular, and the patch was Charles's idea as well. So get yourself a patch for your shop shirt, for your welding jacket, hat, anything like that, again at Cars-Cameras.com. Both this new Vote for Turbo shirt and the patch are going to help fund the turbo methanol nitro build we have planned for this rail. We're going to explain the plans a little bit more at the end of this episode, but let's get into the maintenance and heading to the track. All right. Bet you'd never think you'd see this rail on a two-post lift, huh? Our maintenance list includes changing the engine oil, reinstalling a battery, installing a better flowing air filter, and installing a tachometer. This modified 670 makes about 55 horsepower and revs out to about 7,000 RPM. We haven't been to the track with this project in years, but we're excited to bring it back to see what time it will run, because we recently installed a new heavy-duty chromoly racing axle and a better gear for the 1/8 mile. We got all our maintenance items taken care of. We installed a really large air filter in case that small one was restrictive. We installed the tachometer so we can see what RPM we're turning down the track. At this point, we're just going to fire it up, recheck the oil, and maybe do a test pass.
Contact.
Yep. Tack working?
No.
I
don't know.
I think the battery might be dead.
So I got the rail off the bend pack lift. Now I'm going to be driving it out of the garage and making a test pass. Where's my helmet, boys?
It sounds pretty good. It's wide open.
It sounds awesome. The only thing I'm worried about is the gearing.
Yeah.
It might be too low, but I'm not sure.
Okay.
I got to be able to open this thing up, and I can't open it up here.
You think we're going to run out of gear?
We might.
I have an idea.
Yeah.
So we don't need to make our own dyno, but we need a way of testing these things without going all the way to the track.
Uh-huh.
So why don't we get some like Go Power Sports live axle kits, then put them in a big round thing of concrete. We make our own rolling road. So we can like test wide open and stuff like that.
Out of concrete?
Like a
load force dyno.
Like a barrel, like, you know, concrete, you get spinning 50
well, like
miles
concrete
per hour.
in a barrel then, but like something with a lot of weight that's gonna simulate a road.
It's got to be balanced and stuff. So,
yeah.
I mean, that'd be cool, especially if we could calculate mile per hour and stuff.
I mean, we can, yeah.
Yeah.
Something to think about.
Yeah, the tach's working. The engine's running great. Great oil pressure, 50 psi at idle.
Okay.
And I don't know. She's just.
Is it dialed?
I hope so. I'm fingers crossed that the mile per hour is going to be okay.
Yeah.
So.
Cool.
Yeah.
Well,
cool.
Sounds good.
All right. Drag strip then.
See you at the track. We made it out to the drag strip. We're running the 8th mile this evening. It's a really nice evening. The weather is about 78 degrees, I'm gonna say. We got the rail, we got our spare gearing fuel. The track goes hot in about 20 minutes, and Charles, Ike, and I are all gonna give it a go. So it's been years since it's been on the track, so really looking forward to what this thing puts down. I'm hoping for a 980 at 65 miles an hour. Anything more faster than that is going to be gravy.
Ike, what's your prediction on running today?
950 on the first pass. That's my prediction. Just a prediction. No, I put it in.
It popped out.
Good thing it fell on the trailer and not us.
Good. God,
that was almost the shortest day.
Yeah. Do we have any tape or anything?
Pliers.
We need tape or something.
She would have been going nowhere.
Dude, I tightened the snot out of that sprocket.
It needed a locking collar.
We're gonna steal it off the carburetor of the 3-engine bike, and then we're gonna put it back.
There we go.
Broken something before you even went down the track.
Yeah, that's true. Good job, Ike. All right, so we'll just use the hose clamp. Good job, Ike. All right, hose clamp.
Hose clamp. So I wasn't there, but apparently a locking collar didn't get put on to keep the key from popping out of the driveline gear. The axle. So we're using a hose clamp we stole off the 3-engine bike, and a lot of hopes and dreams, and duct tape.
Thank you.
You're welcome, hon.
How'd it do? Yeah, it was lousy. It was 10 something.
1014 at 58 miles per hour, like basically 59 miles per hour. 58.99 miles per hour.
The most important part though?
Yeah.
Okay, well, our axles stayed together, but the second most important part?
Yeah.
You pull the wheel off the line.
I saw it. I was going to say that.
I thought you said that thing was a 10-second rig.
It is a 10-second car in the 8th mile.
10-minute rig.
Yeah. So Ike is gonna get on one more time and just see if it's consistent. So we're looking for what, a 10-13 or something? 59 miles an hour. So that's what we're looking at. Maybe I can go a little quicker. I'm maybe 40 pounds lighter. That's our only hope of breaking into the 9s because it seems to be running right. So
I mean, look.
other than that, turbo time.
But our main focus is Hector is going to be running 3 Honda Civics with spoon engines and with Motec exhaust. That's our main goal. We got to beat Hector.
I red lighted. All right, so Ike ran within 200ths of his own time. I'm gonna try to get us into the 9-second range.
What was it?
992, baby.
Okay, good.
At 59.5.
That's awesome.
Hey, that's a win, boys.
You ready?
992.
That is
Hey.
awesome. One more.
Yeah.
All right.
That means I'm 3/10 quicker than you in weight.
The car that just drove by, I could smell that he's on methanol. That's what this needs.
Hey, we can always do that before turbo.
Try methanol?
Yeah.
Yeah. We just got to get some fat jets.
Like E85 and turbo.
Okay.
We'll put a Holly 600 on it.
Oh my.
2 of them.
I'm okay with a 0.10 reaction. My
Dude, that
first
was
time down the track.
that's a fast reaction.
Not bad.
I may look like the most qualified driver in the group, but I'm just not feeling it. But you know what is nice? These patches. And they're easy, quick, iron on within 5 minutes. And you can customize your race suit today.
Yeah, we turned the certified gap welder sticker into an iron-on patch. So
if you got a hole in your suit, just patch it, and
it'll be fine.
And you're SFI certified. Don't quote me on that.
We made it home from the drag strip, and like usual, the rail was reliable, but a little bit underwhelming in the performance department. We did learn a few things. I managed almost 3/10 faster than Ike, and there's only about a 40-pound difference between the two of us. So every pound kind of does matter on this thing.
It was your reaction time.
It was all the reaction time. I don't know about that. But from here, we're looking at going force induction. We bought a turbocharger off of a 1-liter smart car. And in the next episode of Cars and Cameras, we're going to be installing that and seeing if we can make it run. We also have some other fuel coming to us, some methanol, maybe some nitro, and we're going to be trying to tune it for nitromethanol. So like we said, this thing is either going to go or it's going to blow. So in addition to the turbo and fueling changes we're going to be making, we're going to look into a lighter battery we're going to definitely need to change up the gearing because this thing was passing the lights at about 7,000, 7,100 RPM at about 59 miles an hour, 60 miles an hour. So with the added power, we're going to need a taller gear because I don't want to spin this thing much past 7.
Oh boy.
But anyway, you can catch all that in an upcoming episode of Cars and Cameras. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's episode, and subscribe to the channel so you make sure you see the boost in action. Pick up a Vote for Turbo shirt on our website, cars-cameras.com. Help support the build and the channel. Thanks again for watching. We'll catch you next time.